Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool rotary dial desk telephone, and this is Jose's equipment from Georgia, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now this unit is in great condition, and it's a really good example of a rotary dial desk telephone. This telephone's in a great color that you don't see very often, and it has an amplified handset. This is a unique telephone. There's a note with this unit, and this telephone does not dial out. And when you turn the wheel up and down for the volume control of the handset, it does not change the volume. And we also have a broken line port in the back of the telephone for your telephone line, so that needs to be taken care of. We've troubleshooted a little bit, and we know at some point someone knew that the rotary dial had an issue. The wires were frayed where they connect to the rotary dial, and one was actually broken off, and that's because they were turning the rotary dial back and forth trying to figure out what was wrong with the rotary dial. And that's what happens. The wires start to come off because it's been turned back and forth so much that one of them actually broke off and the other ones were just barely hanging on. We know the rotary dial has an issue, and it's way out of alignment. It's going to take a little while to get the rotary dial back into alignment and get it adjusted properly so that it will dial out. We also found an issue with one of the plungers not wanting to release when you pick up the handset. Now, it was not affecting whether you had dial tone or not, but it was basically stuck in the telephone, and we need to take care of that issue also. When this telephone was manufactured, they did not install a polarity protect circuit, and anytime that you have an amplified handset, you need to use a polarity protect circuit because you have to observe polarity with the electronic circuit for your amplification. We need to install a polarity protect circuit at the network, so we're going to have to reconfigure the network for that circuit. So there's going to be a lot of work with this telephone. We will be troubleshooting the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We'll go ahead and get some still pictures of this really cool rotary dial desk telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting of this really cool telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with all of our repairs and conversion, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today, but if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. We'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We have the amplifier on the handset turned all the way up. We're going to go ahead and turn it down. And we'll turn it back up. And now we'll give you some dial tone with the pickup. We're going to go ahead and dial our numbers out. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary dial now, and all the issues have been taken care of. We're going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have receive and transmit, and our amplification for our handset is working. We can go ahead and call a time and temp number. We'll move our line over to a line out, and we'll make that call. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll call that number.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Saturday, March 28th. The current time, 2:15 p.m. and the temperature, 54 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool rotary dial desk telephone with an amplified handset has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Jose and they can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.